Hi everybody, today I want to talk to you about basic division equations, and I want to start by focusing on this rule here. If x divided by a equals b, where a and b are numbers, then x is going to equal ab. That simply means a multiplied by b. So going back to our original equation, if x divided by a is b, simply imagine that we multiply those two numbers together to get what x is. So moving on to examples, if I had x over 3 equals 4, then very simply to get the solution, x here is going to equal these two numbers multiplied together. So again, it's like a diagonal line where I multiply across the diagonal. So it's going to be 3 times 4. And x is going to equal 12. Now, if I had something like x over 5 equals minus 2, where I introduce a negative number on the right hand side, well, the same rule applies. So again, to find x here, all I do is multiply these two numbers together. So I'm going to get x equals 5 multiplied by minus 2. And again, we use a very important rule of maths that when we're multiplying or dividing two numbers whose signs are different, and what I mean is that one's positive and one is negative, and that's what we have here. We've got a positive 5 and we've got a minus 2 here. And again, we look to the left of a number to see what sign it is. So if there's nothing to the left, it's positive, and the only time something is negative is if there's a minus to the left of it, which is what we've got here for the minus 2. Now, if the signs are different, we will always get a negative answer. If the signs are the same, we always get a positive answer. So in this case, we've got a plus 5 times a minus 2, so the signs are different. That gives us a negative answer, so that's going to give me the answer minus 10. Now, just to finish up, if I had the following question where I had a 2x over 3, let's say, equals 4. Now, where I've got a term on the top which is more than 1x here, which is a 2x, all I do here is I say that the 2x now, instead of simply an x, which we had in our previous example, we've got a 2x here, is going to equal these two numbers multiplied. So what I will get here is I'll get that 2x is 3 times 4, which gives me that 2x equals 12. And then I use my basic rules of solving a multiplying equation. This expression here, 2x means 2 multiplied by x, is 12. So what do I multiply by 2 to get the answer 12? That will give me that x equals 6, because 2 times 6 is 12.